welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated 2025 Toyota 4Runner TRD, a rugged SUV that continues to build on its legendary off-road reputation. Whether you're a hardcore off-roader, an adventure seeker, or just someone who wants a capable and stylish SUV, the 2025 4Runner TRD has something to offer. So, let's break it down and see if it lives up to the hype. The 2025 Toyota 4Runner TRD keeps its boxy, aggressive design, but adds modern touches to make it feel fresh. The front end gets a bold new grille with an updated Toyota badge, LED headlights with a sleeker shape, and redesigned fog lights for improved visibility. The hood has more sculpted lines, giving it an even tougher stance. Moving to the side, you'll notice new 17-inch TRD alloy wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires, ready to tackle any terrain. Toyota has also improved the aerodynamics slightly, making it more efficient without sacrificing that classic 4Runner look. At the rear, redesigned LED taillights and a more refined tailgate design complete the package. The 2025 model also introduces some exciting new color options, including an exclusive TRD Pro color that makes it stand out even more on the road or trail. Step inside and you'll see that Toyota has finally brought the 4Runner's interior into the modern era. The dashboard features a completely new layout with a larger 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system running Toyota's latest software. It includes wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium JBL audio system for those long road trips. The instrument cluster is now fully digital, giving drivers a more customizable and high-tech experience. One of the biggest improvements is the quality of materials. The cabin now has more soft-touch surfaces, upgraded leather or Softex-trimmed seats, and an optional red TRD stitching package that adds a sporty touch. The seats are more supportive and comfortable, making long drives or rough off-road trails easier on your body. The center console has also been redesigned with better storage, larger cup holders, and an upgraded gear selector. In the rear, passengers get more legroom and improved climate control features. The cargo area remains one of the best in its class, with a sliding cargo deck option for easier loading and unloading. Under the hood, the biggest change for the 2025 Toyota 4Runner TRD is the introduction of a new powertrain. Toyota has finally retired the aging 4-liter V6 in favor of a more powerful and efficient turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine with hybrid assistance. This new setup produces around 326 horsepower and 465 lb-ft of torque, making it significantly more powerful than the previous model while also improving fuel efficiency. Paired with a new 10-speed automatic transmission, the 4Runner delivers smoother shifts and better performance on highways and trails alike. As expected, the TRD models come with Toyota's legendary off-road capabilities. The TRD Off-Road and TRD Pro models include features like multi-terrain select, crawl control, and an electronically locking rear differential. The suspension has been upgraded as well, with improved Fox shocks in the TRD Pro version for better handling over rough terrain. Toyota has also included a new full-time 4-wheel drive system with selectable drive modes to optimize traction for various conditions. Now let's talk about pricing. Toyota has yet to officially release full pricing details, but based on industry estimates, the 2025 4Runner TRD Off-Road is expected to start at around $45,000, while the TRD Pro model could reach the $55,000 mark with all the premium off-road upgrades. Given the improvements in performance, technology, and design, these price increases seem justified. For those looking for a more affordable entry into the 4Runner lineup, the base SR5 model is expected to start at around $42,000. So, is the 2025 Toyota 4Runner TRD worth it? If you're someone who loves adventure, needs a reliable off-roader, and wants modern technology without sacrificing durability, then absolutely. Toyota has managed to keep the 4Runner's legendary toughness while upgrading it for the modern driver,